In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then do exactly the same with a second one. With both of them opened in the background, go into Background Apps and decide which one you want to use at the top. Tap on the icon of it, select Split Screen and click on a second app. As you can see now, I can operate both at once. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can go back into the background and swipe it. Or you can use this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up. Then tap on Home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!